Welcome back to Chapter 6 of the SuiteCRM training video. In the previous video, we understood how SuiteCRM stores data internally, how SQL queries work in CRM development, and how modules and relationships are connected. We have also learned how to retrieve records safely and how to reduce repetitive SQL coding. Moving forward, we will learn about the SuiteCRM API, OAuth 2.0 authentication, and how to securely connect SuiteCRM with external applications. The video also focuses on how API requests work, how access tokens are generated, and how REST API v8 helps in connecting SuiteCRM with external systems. So let's get started. Before making any API calls, you need to obtain an access token. In SuiteCRM, OAuth 2.0 is used to authenticate APIs. It's a protocol that allows clients to securely access resources without requiring user passwords. To access OAuth 2.0 token, log into SuiteCRM as an administrator. Navigate to Admin, Auth Clients, and click on Create to register a new application. Fill in the client name, select client type as Client Credentials, and redirect URI. After this, SuiteCRM will generate Client ID and Client Secret, which are the credentials to get a token. To get access token, you can use various API tools like Postman or Insomnia. Now enter the code as shown and click on Send. Set the grant type to Client Credentials and include your generated client ID and secret. If successful, the API returns a JSON response containing the access token. Once SuiteCRM validates your credentials, it returns the following token response. SuiteCRM will validate the credentials and generate the response if everything is correct. To use this token, include it in the authorization header of your API request, as shown below. Now let's move forward to the REST API v8 JSON API spec section. In SuiteCRM, the REST API v8 follows the JSON API specification, the standard for building APIs. The format defines how requests are sent, how responses look, and how records and relationships are structured. To create a record in SuiteCRM using REST API v8, data must be sent in a JSON API-compliant request body. The request body contains all the information needed to create the record successfully. Enter the code shown to create a record through the request body. Now let's understand Google OAuth integration. For Google OAuth, register your app in Google Cloud Console to get your client ID and client secret. Exchange the authorization code for an access token and refresh token via a post request. Save the refresh token securely. Unlike the access token, it doesn't expire and can auto-renew your session. With this, the training session for Chapter 6 comes to an end. We've covered API integration, OAuth 2.0, and Google setup. In the next video, we'll focus on organizing tasks, tracking operational issues, and improving workflow visibility. See you in the next video.